Bonjour, c'est Claire à French in the Midlands. Today's video is about the difference between parce que and à cause de. I know lots of students mix them up, but they do mean something totally different. Now, just before we start, I want to mention briefly, you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. First of all, parce que actually means because, and we pronounce it parce que, almost like P-A-S-K-E, if you like, parce que. And it only means because and nothing else. For instance, j'ai allumé le chauffage parce qu'il faisait froid. I switched the heating on because it was cold. On n'a pas pu partir hier parce qu'il a fallu emmener le chien chez le vétérinaire. We couldn't leave yesterday because we had to take the dog to the vets. Notice here, the whole sentence is in the past tense, and il a fallu is past tense for il faut, which is it is necessary to, we have to. Pourquoi tu pleures? Parce que. Why are you crying? Just because. This is one where you don't want to tell the reason, so you just say parce que. Kids do that a lot. Now, à cause de means because of, so it is a different things from because. You would say, je suis arrivé en retard à cause des embouteillages. I arrived late because of traffic jams. On ne peut pas sortir à cause du blizzard. We can't go out because of the blizzard. Le magasin a fermé à cause de la Covid. The shop closed because of COVID. In summary, and this is what en résumé mean, in summary, you use parce que followed by a sentence. À cause de is only followed by a noun. On ne peut pas sortir parce qu'il pleut, or on ne peut pas sortir à cause de la pluie. And that's all we've got for now. Please give me a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're not already a member, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.